हमारे पास there is no dearth of talent. हमारे youngsters, I don't know whether you saw the under-19 team World Cup में perform. We reached the final. We were unlucky, didn't win. But some of the talent in that team is very, very good. What we need to do is, keep them along with us. अब हमने उनको, one of the boys is also in the national side for the World Cup. He is in the team, and some of the other boys we want to, work with them so that they keep. बहुत talent है in all fields, but it needs to be disciplined. It needs to be, looked after by. In the past नहीं होता था. Past we have won twice at World Cup 1919. Where the boys have gone, nobody knows. Barring one boy who is the wicket keeper, Sarfaraz. Other than that, hardly any you can find. But talent, there is no doubt of that. There is a lot of talent. हमारी जो basic shortcomings है उसको overcome करना चाहिए. We need to improve our fielding. We have to come to world standard. World standards have improved tremendously. The science of we have one of the finest trainers with us from Australia, and he is a very, very good person, and he's been doing a good job with the youngsters also and with the Pakistan team.